Hey guys, it's Fred again from Fred's Tech Hub. So due to so much demand, and a lot of people has been asking me to make a comparison video between the Infinix Note 5 versus the Tecno Camon X Pro. To start the difference, the Camon X Pro features a 16 megapixels rear camera with a ring flash and a 24 megapixels front-facing camera with a dual flash. Then on the flip side, the Infinix Note 5 has a 12 megapixels rear camera with dual flash and a 16 megapixels front-facing camera, which is a low-light selfie camera. You might be wondering, why does the Note 5 has a small megapixels count? Yeah, the 12 megapixels might sound small on paper and might not seem like a better contender to the Camon X Pro. But don't worry too much. The 12 megapixels camera on the Note 5 utilizes a very large micron sensor, which might give the Camon X Pro a run for its money. But before we begin, please kindly hit that subscribe button to join the family and turn on the bell icon to get notifications when a new video drops. Without further ado, let's begin. Favorite cartel lights here, you notice that these two images are so identical. It's just that on the Camon X Pro, it overexposed the image a bit, allowing the sunlight to reflect so much on the car. But when it comes to real details, they still maintain good details. So I pushed the zoom further a bit, and I noticed that the Camon X Pro images tend to maintain a little bit of sharpness due to that high megapixels count on it. But it doesn't mean the Note 5 is far behind, it's very close. Then on this other image here, the Note 5 highlighted all the details on this car here, maintaining the car original color, while the Camon X Pro on the other hand maintained good details as well, but a little bit oversaturated, making it appear darker, though it looks pleasing to the eye. Same thing is applicable to this image. The Camon X Pro added punchy colors, making the whole images look vivid, while the Note 5 maintained good details and natural looks. Now the skin tone. This is where the whole thing changed in favor of the Note 5. The Note 5 favors the skin tone here, making the image look popping and vibrant, while the Camon X Pro won it in maintaining good details, but in turn fails to add punchy colors it added in previous images, though its image looks more natural than the Note 5 here. To prove that the Camon X Pro has more details than the Note 5, I zoomed in closely. The Note 5 couldn't keep up with the Camon X Pro in details, but it's very close. That shows the advantage of the 16 megapixels rear camera of the Camon X Pro as compared to the 12 megapixel on the Note 5. Here, they look very identical. When I took these images here, it was about to rain and you can see it in the sky. Both phones managed to keep good details, maintaining good high dynamic range. Both phones maintain good colors and expose all the necessary details. If you take pictures with both devices under good lighting conditions, I promise you won't be disappointed. I'm very impressed that the Note 5 has been able to keep up with the Camon X Pro neck to neck, if not went it in some areas, judging by these images I've taken with both devices. Now let's move on to the selfie camera and see what they have to offer. When it comes to selfie, the Camon X Pro is a clear winner here. Though it overexposed the background too much, it manages to take natural looking images with good details, and its overall selfie images look pleasing, excluding the overexposed background. While the Note 5 images has good details too, the images looks too brownish. It added excess contrast to mostly all the selfie images, which makes me wish Infinix should release a software update to fix this immediately. Moving on is the video. Both phones record video in 1080p, which is very good. They look almost the same, but the Camon X Pro has a little bit of stability than the Note 5. So if you look at both phones head to head, you'll see that they are not too far away from each other. They does almost everything in similar ways, so you cannot go wrong with any of them. So whichever way you go, you're definitely not going to be disappointed. So guys, we've come to the end of today's video. Please leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think about these two devices in the comment section below. Leave a like on this video if you like the video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and also please share this video too. Hold on a second, there are a lot of interesting stuff going on my Instagram account, so be sure you follow me on Instagram. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.